Audio CD 1, Track 4, Unit 2, Security and Immigration. Having checked in, Nick and Lisa proceed to their gate. But first, they must go through security and immigration. They've really beefed up security since September 11th. This may take a while.
I don't mind. I hope they search everyone very thoroughly.
Please empty out your pockets and put all metal objects in this tray. Okay. Step through the metal detector.
But I put everything in the tray, even my watch.
Please take off your belt. The buckle may have set it off. Now go through again. Step aside, please. We'll have to do a special check of you and your clothes. Take off your shoes.
Oh, I hate airports. Wow, they frisked me and went through everything in my bags.
It's your own fault. The cartoon character on your t-shirt has metal eyes. That set off the metal detector.
It was a present from my aunt, and it's my lucky shirt.
Anyway, have your boarding card and passport out. We have to go through immigration now.
I hope they send us home.